Once seen as simple tools for surveillance, drones have evolved into high-tech weapons capable of carrying out precise strikes from thousands of miles away. They've transformed the way battles are fought, reducing risks to soldiers, saving lives, and reshaping military strategy. But how did these unmanned machines rise to such dominance, and what roles do they play on the battlefield today? Let's uncover the story of drone warfare, from silent scouts to deadly precision. Number 1. The birth of drone warfare. Drone warfare began as a solution to protect soldiers while maintaining control on the battlefield. Early unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, appeared in the late 20th century, mainly used for surveillance with short flight times and basic cameras. Despite their simplicity, they were revolutionary, allowing intelligence gathering without risking human lives. By the 1990s, UAVs became essential in regional conflicts, capturing real-time visuals and mapping enemy positions. Their success in reducing casualties and improving accuracy led nations to invest heavily in development. These early innovations laid the foundation for today's advanced drone warfare, fast, efficient, and far more precise than traditional methods. Number 2. Surveillance and reconnaissance. Surveillance and reconnaissance were the first and most crucial roles of drones. Acting as eyes in the sky, drones provide live visuals of battle zones, enemy movements, and shifting terrains. Equipped with high-resolution cameras, infrared sensors, and night vision, they can operate in all conditions, day or night. Drones monitor borders, track threats, and deliver instant intelligence to commanders. This information helps armies make faster, safer decisions while minimizing risks to troops. Continuous aerial surveillance has redefined modern military strategy, giving forces real-time awareness and control. Whether in conflict or peacekeeping, drones ensure safer, smarter, and more effective military operations. Number 3. Targeted strikes. Beyond observation, drones revolutionized precision attacks. Armed with guided missiles and advanced targeting systems, they can strike high-value targets with remarkable accuracy. Unlike manned jets, drones can hover silently for hours, studying movements and waiting for the safest moment to act. This patient approach reduces civilian harm and limits unnecessary destruction. Drones have become vital in counter-terrorism missions, eliminating threats in dangerous regions without risking soldiers. Their efficiency, precision, and cost-effectiveness have reshaped global warfare. While ethical debates persist, drones remain indispensable tools for carrying out strategic strikes that balance power, safety, and accountability on the modern battlefield. Number 4. Logistics and support. Drones play a vital role beyond combat by delivering supplies and support on the battlefield. They transport food, ammunition, and medical aid through dangerous terrains where vehicles can't go. This reduces reliance on risky supply convoys vulnerable to ambushes. In emergencies, drones can deliver life-saving materials to isolated soldiers or even evacuate the wounded. Their versatility extends to humanitarian efforts, providing aid during natural disasters or crises. By ensuring rapid, safe deliveries, drones strengthen battlefield logistics and improve troop survival. These flying lifelines prove that drones can save lives and sustain missions without firing a single shot. Number 5. Electronic warfare. In modern warfare, control over information is as powerful as firepower. Drones now play a key role in electronic warfare, disrupting enemy communication, radar, and GPS systems. By jamming or confusing signals, drones prevent opponents from coordinating attacks or guiding missiles accurately. Some advanced drones can even hack enemy networks, steal data, or spread misinformation. This allows militaries to weaken opponents without direct combat. Electronic warfare drones add a new layer of strategy, neutralizing digital threats while keeping troops safer. As technology advances, these drones will remain essential for gaining control of the invisible battlefield of information and communication. Number 6. Humans and machines in harmony. The most effective military strategies combine human skill with drone intelligence. Known as manned-unmanned teaming, this partnership allows pilots and drones to work together seamlessly. Drones scout ahead, detect threats, and provide real-time targeting data for fighter jets or ground forces. They can also act as decoys, draw enemy fire, or launch counterattacks. Ground soldiers benefit from drones mapping safe routes and identifying ambushes. This cooperation reduces risks for humans while improving accuracy and strategy. Together, man and machine form a powerful alliance, blending human judgment with drone efficiency to create the next generation of high-tech warfare. Number 7. Drone swarms. A single drone is powerful, but a swarm is unstoppable. Drone swarms consist of many UAVs working together, controlled by artificial intelligence. These drones communicate in real time, adjusting tactics instantly to outsmart enemies. Swarms can attack from multiple directions, overwhelm defenses, or split into smaller groups for varied missions like reconnaissance, jamming, or strikes. Their collective behavior makes them harder to detect or destroy. Swarms are also cheaper and faster to deploy than large aircraft fleets. This groundbreaking technology signals a shift toward coordinated, AI-driven warfare, where small, intelligent machines work together to achieve massive strategic dominance. Number 8. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has turned drones from remote-controlled tools into smart, semi-autonomous machines. AI helps drones process complex data, recognize patterns, and make split-second decisions. They can identify threats, avoid obstacles, and coordinate with other drones without waiting for human commands. This speeds up reactions and improves mission accuracy in fast-changing battlefields. However, AI-driven warfare raises ethical questions about giving machines decision-making power over human lives. Still, the benefits are undeniable. Faster responses, fewer errors, and greater precision. As technology evolves, AI will continue to shape drone capabilities, making them smarter, safer, and even more independent in future combat. Number 9. Anti-drone systems. As drones become more advanced, countermeasures have evolved to match. Anti-drone systems detect, track, and neutralize enemy UAVs before they strike. They use radar, lasers, radio jammers, and even trained birds to intercept drones mid-flight. Once identified, hostile drones can be disabled electronically or destroyed with specialized weapons. These defenses protect military bases, airports, and critical areas from aerial threats. The race between drone innovation and anti-drone technology grows more intense each year. As drones get smaller and smarter, defense systems must adapt quickly to keep the skies secure and maintain the balance of power in modern warfare. Number 10. The future of drone warfare. The future of drone warfare promises faster, smarter, and more autonomous systems. Advances in AI, swarming, and energy technology will make drones more efficient and powerful. They'll handle complex missions, surveillance, combat, and logistics with minimal human input. Drones may also expand humanitarian roles, aiding disaster relief or search and rescue operations. Yet, challenges remain. The risks of autonomous strikes, hacking, and misuse raise serious ethical and security concerns. Balancing innovation with strict global regulations will be crucial. Done responsibly, drone warfare could redefine modern defense, offering both safety and precision while reshaping how nations fight, protect, and preserve peace. Drone warfare has transformed modern conflict, shifting the focus from traditional combat to precision-driven technology. From gathering intelligence to delivering life-saving supplies, drones have proven their value far beyond the battlefield. Yet, with great power comes the need for responsibility and ethical use. If you enjoyed learning about this fascinating topic, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay curious and stay safe.